Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, I got some unfortunate news for you guys. It's about the PAR app. You have been told lies because no one has been deactivated yet. No one has been deactivated yet. Unless they've been deactivated and they just didn't say anything. I'm pretty damn sure we would definitely hear about it though, especially like if you have the PAR app. I'm sure someone would say something in the group chat, or I'm sure someone would comment down below, or I'm sure there'd be some actual proof. But I got some news, and I've been getting an insane amount of comments from people commenting and saying, hey Tanner, this YouTuber, who I won't mention, this YouTuber is saying, Pete, it's a drive. Sorry, I sneezed. Has said that people are getting deactivated, and I just want to know, is it true? Have people been deactivated? And the truth is, no one's been deactivated. So it's all lies. And so far, we got like 25,000 users on there, and I'm pretty damn sure that no one's been deactivated. So you're all safe to use the app still. Trust me, I will be the first person to tell you. Trust me, I will definitely be the first person to tell you if someone gets deactivated. And there's no reason to hide it, you know? So, but, I don't know. The guys who like to clickbait their videos and like try to say things that are going to get people all riled up, you know? Makes sense for them to make those videos like clickbaity, you know? But let's just be honest, no one's been deactivated yet, so you're all safe. So PAR does take steps to make sure that your information is encrypted and that it's all private and it's not being released to anyone, and Doordash doesn't know that you're logged in. It's just like so many rumors, and I don't understand why people like to make up rumors, and it's just kind of ridiculous to me, because why would you say stuff, especially publicly on YouTube, without any actual factual information? Actual factual information. That sounds amazing. I'm stoked about that. Actual factual. I'm going to start using that one wherever I go. Actual factual. The actual factual. Maybe we'll start like an actual factual series where I just debunk people. And whenever I don't agree with someone's tips, I'll call it the actual factual series. I don't know. Comment down below. Do you guys like that name? Actual factuals. If you guys do, is there any actual factual videos I should make debunking bad tips and stuff? If you guys have any bad tips videos, like videos you watch and you're like, man, these are horrible tips, comment them down below. Or don't send the link though, because if you send a link, YouTube will automatically like delete the comment. Just tell me the person's channel and I will go through and make some actual factual videos and debunk some tips. Anyway, so real quick, of course, we gotta talk about PAR app. If you guys haven't yet, click on that link at the top of the description. That is the PAR app. It's gonna give you full tip transparency. And if you like seeing the full amount that you as an independent contractor should be told about before you accept a job that you're doing, like, it only makes sense for them to tell you the full tip amount. But Doordash is being a bunch of what's a nice way to say, there we go. We'll leave it at that. Anyways, I personally am pretty disappointed in them as a company for hiding tips from people and trying to basically get people accustomed to taking low-paying orders. That's basically what it is, because we all know, like about a year ago, before they really started hiding these tips, you would get like orders that were like $15 to $20 all the time, sometimes even more. Like I've literally seen orders that are $50. You ain't seeing that stuff anymore unless you have the PAR app, because the PAR app is going to give you the full tip amount. You're going to get a notification. You can turn the tip transparency on or off if you want to. So I love it. You guys have seen me in the vlogs. If you guys watch the Daily Dash, there's been 2 videos in the last week that I posted where I made like, I think $20 on an order, and it was disguised at like a $10 order or something like that. It's just like, man, I was watching UDM react to the DoorDash's video the other day. I was like, man, UDM made some damn good points on there. Like, it's basically like they're trying to get us to be accustomed to taking really cheap orders, and then when you finally get a $10 order, you're like, oh my god, I got a $10 order. I haven't seen a $10 order in years. when really you probably get them all the time. And those post tips, those are actually pre-tips. You know, people are actually putting that tip amount, which shouldn't even really be a tip. It's like, yo, how much do you want to pay for this order? It's not really like a tip. It's not like you need to tip your driver. Like, a tip should be after, you know, they should be given the option to tip you after. If you do a good job, then you get a tip after. If you don't do a good job, well, it sucks. Maybe it was a bad customer or something. I don't know. But it's the same. It's like, would you pre-tip a waiter? And like, I can't imagine restaurants ever doing that. Like hiding tips, like, hey, this person actually tipped you $20, but I'm only going to tell you that they tipped you $5. And at the end of the day, I'll surprise you. Who knows? It's just like it's just kind of like a shit show. It's kind of really annoying that DoorDash would do that, because I've been saying, so many people called me a corporate shill, and like I was just like only spreading positive information about DoorDash, and they're like, this guy is such a corporate shill, especially when I was talking shit about the Decline Now movement. I was the corporate shill, and now I'm the one out here calling out DoorDash because I think this is just bad business ethics, and I just want to help you guys out. Let's just be honest. Like, my whole channel is based to help you guys out, and hopefully you guys can take some positive information away from my videos, open your mind to think more widely about opportunities and things that you can do while making DoorDash money, you know? Like, really, I hope, comment down below if you guys have started another stream of income that you can make while you're DoorDashing, and let me know down below, because I love to give out ideas. Hopefully we can use this channel to like spread ideas and positive message and stay away from negativity, and at least like help everyone, like, because the idea is, especially as like a community and especially as my YouTube audience, I really want us to be able to come together and come up with ideas, and maybe I can help share those ideas with other people so that way they can make more money as well, because at the end of the day, we're all barely making like a freaking 1% of what these billionaires and stuff are making, and it's like we need to all come together and like unite, because not like unite like a union, because of course we're independent contractors for a reason, but like unite, like the more information we all have and we can share with each other, the better everyone is going to be off anyways. So that being said, I hope you guys like this video, and hopefully it comes as a positive message, because I've been seeing so many messages and comments about people saying that Drive is saying people are getting deactivated, and I don't know how recent this is or not, or if like that video is just blowing up, but I've been getting like crazy amounts of freaking comments from people saying that, and it's probably other YouTubers out there as well, but it is what it is. So don't spread false information out there. Just messed up, to be honest, in my opinion. So no need to lie. The PAR app has not gotten anyone deactivated yet. Of course it's possible. It's always possible, but anything's possible. It's very possible, and statistically, if you think about it, I'm gonna get deactivated first, let's be honest. So that being said, anyways, if you guys enjoy this video at all, please consider subscribing to the channel, smashing the like button, and also I do have a nice little update. My footwear company is now under the name of Off Axis Athletics. I changed the name and the business identity and everything a few days ago when we've basically sold like 300 pairs to wrestlers. I was like, man, we got to really take out the name Acrobatics, because this is, I mean, we're selling to more MMA people and wrestlers and just people that aren't acrobats, so I'm kind of just trying to broaden our scope of who we are marketing to, because it's more of an athletic wear company. It started off as acrobatics because it was my acrobatics stunt show that turned into a footwear company, but now it's just more of an athletic footwear and like apparel company. So if you guys haven't yet, check out my website at Off Axis Athletics. That sounds weird to say. OffAxisAthletics.com. Use the discount code OffAxisTanner. You'll get 30% off a pair of shoes, and we got the skate shoes coming in soon. I'm waiting for them any day now so I can start testing them out. So those will be coming in soon as well. We'll see you guys in the next one. Also, real quick, if you guys want to help me out, comment down below any good names that you guys have for shoes, because I'm trying to think of a name for the new shoes. I've gotten a few. I personally like the name Off Axis Alphas right now. So far we have the Off Axis 1s, the Off Axis Ninjas, and I'm leaning towards the off-axis alphas, at least for the high tops, and maybe the low tops. I don't know. We'll see. Right Upstate, thank you for the name. Off-axis Dashers, but I'm not going to name my footwear after like a company that I'm not really stoked about right now. So anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Drive safe, make some money. Peace.